Every samosa begins far from the factory, in fields worked by human hands.
Tons of potatoes are pulled from the ground every single day.
Onions join the harvest, sharp, heavy, and unforgiving to handle. Only the hardest produce survives the first inspection. Flour for the samosa skin arrives in industrial volumes.
Spices are measured in barrels, not teaspoons.
Thousands of liters of oil are sealed for the fryers.
Time is frozen to protect the harvest. Everything now converges on one destination.
The journey to the samosa factory begins.
Raw ingredients move in convoys, racing against spoilage. Every bump threatens damage to the cargo. Human endurance drives the supply chain forward.
Weather adds danger to every kilometer.
Delays cost freshness.
Even minor failures waste hundreds of kilograms.
The convoy does not stop for night.
The factory finally comes into view.
Every load is logged and inspected.
Raw ingredients cross into the industrial system.
This is where raw food becomes industrial product.
Every kilogram is counted.
Hold it, slowly back, slowly now. Precision begins before production.
The factory opens its mouth.
The harvest enters the system.
Even flour can become dangerous.
Everything flows in one direction.
Temperature becomes a control weapon. Flavor waits its turn. The first machines wake up.
The cleaning process begins violently.
Thousands of liters of water strip away the fields.
Only the strong make it through.
Human eyes still decide survival. Nothing leaves this tunnel unscoured.
Even dirty water is processed again.
Uniformity is engineered. Not everything earns a future. The usable mass reforms. The cutting begins.
The vegetables lose their identity.
Steel decides the final shape.
Onions are reduced to pulp and threads.
Heat replaces fire.
Flavor is pumped under pressure.
The mixture becomes one mass.
Oil is brought to lethal temperatures.
The skin of the samosa is born.
Precision replaces tradition. Replaces tradition.
Everything converges for assembly. The assembly line comes alive. Steel hands replace human fingers. The heart is forced inside.
Escape is no longer possible.
Perfection is enforced.
Every gram is controlled.
Volume replaces individuality.
The crust is hardened in advance.
The final trial waits.
There is no turning back.
Survivors emerge from the oil.
Excess fat is violently stripped away.
Heat is forced out.
Temperature decides survival.
Invisible threats are hunted.
Hands confirm what machines cannot.
Even color is regulated.
Failure disappears immediately.
Only the approved move on.
The last stage begins.
Precision guides the final journey. Every samosa receives its protective cover.
Machines assemble the units for delivery. Every box carries its identity.
Order emerges from chaos.
The product waits in giant ranks. Transport awaits the perfected product.
Distribution begins!
And this is how modern factories produce crispy samosas from start to finish.